Today, we're venturing beyond the familiar, into a space where physics meets philosophy, and the universe isn't just something we observe, but something we help shape. This isn't just science, it's a revolution in thought that challenges how we see reality and ourselves. For centuries, we've imagined the universe as a giant machine, ticking away independently while we watch from the sidelines. But quantum physics tells a different story. At the tiniest level, particles like electrons don't behave like solid objects. They exist in superposition, a state where they're in multiple places or states at once. It's like a cloud of maybes, waiting to become something real. So what makes one possibility become reality? That's where decoherence comes in. It's just the process where a quantum system interacts with its environment and collapses into one definite state. And here's the twist: the most complex, sensitive measuring device we know isn't a machine, it's the human mind. Our consciousness might play a role in this collapse. That means we're not just watching reality unfold, we're helping create it. Think about that. Every time you observe, focus, or think, you might be influencing which version of reality becomes real. It's not magic, it's the mechanics of existence. Your attention could be the force that turns possibility into actuality. The line between observer and observed begins to blur. Are we just passengers in the universe, or are we co-pilots? This idea transforms our role. It suggests that our thoughts, intentions, and focus aren't just personal, they're part of the fabric of reality. Your inner world might be shaping the outer world more directly than you ever imagined. You're not just a collection of atoms. You're a focal point of consciousness through which the universe experiences itself. Let's go deeper. If observation collapses possibilities, what happens to the ones we don't choose? The many worlds interpretation says they don't disappear, they branch off into parallel universes. Every possible outcome is realized somewhere. So when you make a choice, you're not just picking a path, you're creating a reality. But let's stay in this one. The implications of our mind's involvement in decoherence are profound. It means your focused attention, your emotional state, your intentions, they all matter. They might be shaping the world around you in subtle but powerful ways. So how do we use this? It starts with mindfulness. By paying attention to your thoughts and feelings, you become more aware of the observer within. When you set a goal, you're not just imagining something, you might be selecting a possibility from the quantum field. Your mind is a lens. Where you point it, reality sharpens. This isn't about wishing for things to magically appear. It's about aligning your energy with the kind of reality you want to experience. It's about recognizing your role in the dance of existence. You're not just reacting to life, you're co-creating it. Now imagine this on a larger scale. If individual consciousness plays a role in shaping reality, what about collective consciousness? What if a group of people, focused on the same intention, could influence outcomes together? What if our shared focus could help solve global problems? Think about climate change, social division, or health crises. These challenges often feel overwhelming because we approach them from a fragmented mindset. But what if we could align our collective attention toward solutions? What if we could act as a massive, coherent observer, collapsing possibilities toward cooperation, innovation, and healing? This shifts problem-solving from a mechanical act to a conscious one. It's not a replacement for action, it's a powerful complement. It's about infusing our efforts with awareness of our role in the universe. It's a new frontier, not just outer space, but inner space. And what about empathy? Quantum entanglement shows that particles can remain connected no matter how far apart they are. What if we're connected in the same way? If we're all part of a shared field of consciousness, then your joy, your compassion, your kindness, they ripple outward. They contribute to a more coherent, harmonious reality. This understanding could dissolve the illusion of separation. It could help us see that the well-being of others is linked to our own. It could foster unity, not just as a nice idea, but as a physical truth. We're not isolated minds. We're part of a vast, interconnected system. So what can you do right now? Start small. Practice mindfulness. Set clear intentions. Pay attention to your inner world. Notice patterns. Trust your intuition. Connect with others. Build communities of conscious creators. And most importantly, keep asking questions. Because the questions are just as important as the answers. They're the sparks that ignite new realities. They remind us that we're not just observers, we're explorers, creators, and participants in the unfolding story of the universe. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of reality. If this sparked something in you, share it. Reflect on it. And remember, the universe isn't just out there. It's in here. And you're part of it. Until next time, keep wondering, keep imagining, and keep shaping your world.